So today I did this super bomb natural wig from Myfirstwig. Oh my god, this wig reminds me of like 2005 2006 days when the girls was wearing their wraps, honey, and like it's just giving me those type of vibes. If you're interested in how I install this wig to look so natural and so good, like love this, I need you to keep on watching because it's a vibe. It's giving for sure. Okay girls, so let's jump right into it. So first of all, this 10-inch silky hair texture is on a HD lace frontal wig with a pre-plucked hairline and pre-bleached knots. This is considered a beginner's friendly wig, and this is also a 13x6 lace frontal wig. So I'm going to start out by cutting off a little bit of the lace because I just don't like when the lace is super long where it covers up my eyebrows. So now I'm going to go in behind my ears and cut off the extra lace, and I just want to zoom in a little bit on this hairline so you girls can really get into it. Now as of lately, I have been loving like the simple, not over plucked hairline, and I think this wig is going to be a great install. So first of all, the parting on this wig, you get 6 inches of parting space, which is always a plus on any type of lace frontal wig, and this hairline is definitely giving. Before I go any further, I do want to acknowledge that Myfirstwig has definitely upgraded their wigs, because in the past their wigs have been a little bit more on the thin side than what I typically go for in a wig. But with this wig, they have definitely stepped it up with the fullness, the hairline, the lace, how soft the lace feels like up against my skin. Like they have really outdid themselves with this wig so far, and that's just going by the hairline, which says a lot about a wig and its wig install. So of course I'm going in with some hairspray just to melt the lace down, and look at that. Look how it's blending right into my skin. Do y'all see that? Let me zoom in. Hold on. Come on, Myfirstwig. Y'all know the vibes. Look at this lace, y'all. It literally melted into my skin. And I did not use the ball stocking cap method, which you girls already know I don't do anyways, but I am just loving this hairline, and just look at how clean this hairline is on this wig. Honestly, this is the perfect hairline for this type of like short bob look, and I'm definitely not going to do any baby hairs with this wig because it just looks really clean and just boss bitch. Like it just looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten the hair and see what type of body it's giving. Okay, hands down, this got to be like my favorite bob for 2022 because this hairline and the texture is giving. Let me tell you something. I was not expecting for this silky straight texture to turn out the way that it has turned out. Like, do you see this bump in this hair? Do you see this sheen? Do you see like what is giving?
This is a nice wig, and I promise you this wig will be worn in the next vlog. It will be worn in the next Instagram post, because like I just cannot believe this wig is giving like this. Like from the when I was washing the hair, I was like, okay, what they want me to do with this? But baby, let me tell you, I know exactly what to do with this. I am so glad I did not do any baby hairs on this wig, and it's so strange saying that because y'all know I love baby hairs on a wig, but this is one of those wigs where just a nice, clean, simple hairline with the invisible lace is all you need for this wig to be giving, and it's doing just that. So I'm so glad that I didn't do that. But anyways, in this clip I want to do like a close-up of the lace, and I don't even know why I was going in trimming the lace, because you honestly cannot see this lace on my forehead at all. Like, that's just how invisible and melted this wig is giving. But I did go in and tint the lace a little bit on the sides because I did not secure the wig down. But this is such a nice wig, and it's full of body. But one thing that I wanted to do is switch it up a little bit in the front. So what I did was I took my flat iron and I brought the hair like towards my face, like coming towards my eyes, because I wanted a little bit more volume in the front. And this is pretty much the look that I am rolling with today, because it is giving me such natural hair vibes. Like, if you are a girl who loves like short hair, bobs, clean look, girl, this is the wig you need to have in your collection, because it is so damn cute. I'm not even playing. So click the link below in the description bar, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.